welcome. Glad you came by today. As you can see, I'm at my vacation home and we're closing it up today. My name's Carol Penhale, and in today's video, I'm going to do a bloom. All right, so let's see how this turns out. Stick around. Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. So as I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to do a bloom. I'm going to show you my colors. So I'm going to use light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. I'm going to use transparent yellow medium by Amsterdam. I have a Pigment Pearl X Sky Blue that I mix with my pouring medium. I've got Color Shift Aqua Flash. It's a pretty color. And then I have my Pumpkin Orange. But this, and also I think I have, I used this the last pour, and I have a bit of Azo Orange in there just to give it a darker color by Amsterdam. And then I have Winsor Violet by Winsor Newton. This pretty color. All right, so there you go. You've seen all the colors. So I'm going to put down my pillow. This is a 10 by 10, I think, or take out some of the air bubbles. Okay, so let me think. What color will I like to put down first? This light blue violet is opaque. So I think I will put that down first. Take out my bubbles. Now I have Pigment. I think I will use a white and Payne's Gray Cell Activator together tonight. I'll put a little bit of yellow. This is really transparent. I can tell just by looking at it. Okay, this is the Sky Blue Pigment. my Winsor Violet. Just gonna put it on kind of randomly. That had a lot of air bubbles. Okay, now I'll put the flash. Whoops. Now some of the orange. I didn't want a lot of orange. Now I have white and Payne's gray. I'll put the white first. Stirred this white paint a little before I put it out of the can, and these air bubbles just keep popping up. All right. I hope this works okay. I'm going to use my blower. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I wish I had blown it out a little more. Oh, I have to show you these peacock cells. Awesome. Look, turquoise and orange, orange and turquoise, purple and white and blue and orange and oh, white and blue. Oh, so beautiful. getting, the middle's coming back. Oh, so beautiful. I don't have my apron on tonight. Put it on or I'll spray paint all over me. I hope I don't lose those cells when I spin. I'm going to tilt it a little bit and then I'll spin it. Okay, I'm going to spin it. Whoa, this is so colorful. I think I'm going to leave it. I like it the way it is. I don't want to lose any more of those cells. And there's glorious amounts of paint everywhere. This would have been a good one for my box. Okay, so there you go. I think I'll try these colors, and I'll do a modified bloom on a tile. Ooh. Just checking for white cells popping through. All right, so I'll hold it up. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. I love it. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please like, if you like this video, like, give me a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications so you get notified when I do new videos. There you go. Have a good day. Bye. Hi everyone. This is my dried 8x8 canvas. Ooh, look at that shine. It dried really good. Look at those cells. This had so many awesome cells. The colors inside the colors. I think I used 2 cell activators for this one. Yep. Very pretty. Very pretty. I love it. Thanks for watching this one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.